Let's take some more examples on homogeneous equation. The first example is d cube y divided by dx cube minus 2d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx minus 8 is equal to 0. This we have to take in the form of a differential operator. D cube minus 2d square plus 4d minus 8. Take a y common from these all the terms is equal to 0. Then we have to write the auxiliary equation, that is m cube minus 2m square plus 4m minus 8 is equal to 0. Now here directly we have a 4 terms. We can take a m square common and we have to get m minus 2. And here we have to take the 4 common and we have to get m minus 2 is equal to 0. And m square plus 4 and m minus 2 is equal to 0. And m square plus 4 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 4. M is equal to plus or minus 2i. And another one root m minus 2 is equal to 0. M is equal to 2. Now we got the 3 roots. Therefore, the general solution become yc is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus, here it is a complex root, that's why we should have to write c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x. This is a solution of our example. Next, the second example is solve d cube y by dx cube minus 6d square y by dx square plus 11 dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0. Now here again this is a homogeneous equation. This also we have to write in the form of differential operator, d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6 y is equal to 0. Now here we have to take the auxiliary equation to find the roots. M cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 is equal to 0. Here we can't take the common terms. That's why we have to apply inspection method by substituting m is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2 like that. 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 we got. Therefore, the first root is m is equal to 1. Now we got the first root. Now we have to continue by synthetic division method by writing the coefficient of m cube is a 1, m square is a minus 6, m is 11 minus 6 and here 1 and it become a 0. Here we have to add and here we have to multiply. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, 6 into 1 is 6 and here the last term become a 0. Now we have to reduce the one term, that become a quadratic equation. Minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. By multiplying we want 6, by add or subtract we want minus 5. That's why we have to take minus 3m plus 2m, minus 5 into 1, 6 6 into 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Here minus 6 plus 1, the roots become minus 3m minus 2m plus 6. Minus 3 into minus 2 become a plus 6. Minus 3 minus 2 is a minus 5. Take a m common. M minus 3. Take a 2 minus 2 common. M minus 3 is equal to 0. Now m minus 2 and m minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the roots become m minus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 2. M minus 3 is equal to 0, m is equal to 3. Now general solution become. Now we have to get the three roots here, that is yc is equal to c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power 2x plus c3 e to the power 3x. The next example is solve d cube y by dx cube minus 8y is equal to 0. This we have to write in d cube minus 8 y is equal to 0. Now we have to write the auxiliary equation, that is m cube minus 8 is equal to 0. Now apply the synthetic division method, or you have to apply the formula. See here I am applying the synthetic division method. M is equal to 1, we have to substitute. 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7 is not equal to 0. And m is equal to 2, I will take 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8 plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, the first root is m is equal to 2. Next, after getting the first root, by using the inspection method, apply the synthetic division method. M cube coefficient is 1, m square is 0, m is 0, constant is minus 8. And the first root we have to write here, first element is a 0. In between this we have to add, and here we have to multiply. 1 into 2 is 2, 2, 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Then we have to reduce the one term here, and we have to get m square plus 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. Here we got the quadratic equation. We are not able to apply the formula roots. That's why apply the formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac 16 divided by 2a is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 12 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus this. We have to take it minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 3 into 4. Means square root of 4 become a 2I root 3 divided by 2. Like this we have to split this one and take a 2 common. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3I. 2 take a common and get cancelled. Now here 2 roots, and here we have to get the one root. Therefore general solution become yc is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus, here p is a minus 1 e to the power minus x, c1 c2 cos root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x. Now this is a general solution of the third example. Next we have to go for the next one. Solve d raised to 4 minus 2d cube plus 2d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Now by using this, again we have to apply the directly they given in terms of d. we can take directly the auxiliary equation m raised to 4 minus 2m cube plus 2m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now after this we have to take inspection method by substituting m is equal to 1. 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 now is equal to plus 1 minus plus 1 equal to 2 plus 2 minus 2. The values get cancelled is equal to 0. Therefore the first root is m is equal to 1. After getting the m is equal to 1, we have to apply the synthetic division method. The coefficient of this we have to write m raised to 4 coefficient is 1, m cube is minus 2, m square is 2, m is minus 2, constant is 1. And here the first root we have to write here, and first element we have to write the 0. Plus into 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 and here 1 into 1 is a 1, minus 1 into 1 is a minus 1, and here it become a 0. Now it reduced to the one term. This become m cube minus m square plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. This we got the cubic equation. After getting the cubic equation, again apply inspection method. Again take a m is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Again this become a 0. Therefore a second root become root is m is equal to 1. Again we got a m is equal to m is equal to 1. After getting this root, again write the coefficient of the cubic term. 1 minus 1 1 and minus 1. 1 we have to write here, and the first element it become a 0. Add here and multiply here. 1 into 1 is 1, 0, and here we got the 0. 1 into 1 is a 1, and again we got reduced with the 1 term. Now this become a m square plus 0m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation. This is in the form of m square plus 1 is equal to 0. Means m square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. That is a I. Plus or minus I. Therefore, the roots are 1, 1 plus or minus I. General solution become the two roots are same here. Means we have to apply the second case, that is c1 plus c2x e to the power x plus here the complex form is there, that you have to apply c3 cos x plus c4 sin x. Now this is a final root of our equation. Next is solve d raised to 4z divided by dt4 minus 16z is equal to 0. Z in terms of d they given. Means first we have to take the differential operator, this one, d raised to 4 minus 16, take a z common with respect to t is there, is equal to 0. Now auxiliary equation, that is m raised to 4 minus, we can take a 2 raised to 4. If you want, you can apply the formula also, otherwise you can apply synthetic division method also. Here I am applying the formula m square whole square minus 2 square whole square. is equal to 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b form and a minus b. Here a is a m square, b is a m square. It become m square plus 2 square, and here m square minus 2 square is equal to 0. Means m square plus 4, and here m square, here we can take m plus 2, m minus 2. Means a square minus b square form we have to apply here. After that we have to separate. M square is equal to minus 4, m square plus 4 is equal to 0, m square is equal to minus 4, m is equal to plus or minus 2i, as we already discussed. M plus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 2, and m minus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 2. After that we got the 4 roots. Now the roots become 2, 2 plus or minus 2i. Again 2 roots are same. General solution become yc is equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power 2x plus c3 cos 2x plus c4 sin 2x. This is a solution of a biquadratic equation.